Hi, welcome. I am so excited to share with you today what I have been up to. So, I'm here in my Dallas Fort Worth office, and I have been continuing to search for the latest, greatest, most capable cells and biologics for you and for me, actually, too. And I wanted to share with you an experience I had recently with MUSE cells, MUSE. This is really important because these cells have really strong peer-reviewed clinical and animal data as to how they are better and different than other cells and biologics that we have had access to in the past. So I'm going to share with you today a personal story about what I went through, and then also some details about an intensive that we are planning in Mexico using these cells and two other wonderful technologies added to that. So, first, I'll start with my story. So, I went to this beautiful, luxurious resort and golf club called Diamante in Cabo, and you can see the water and the beach and the golf course. And I received cells intravenously, and I also activated and targeted those cells with the Song laser, which is the laser that I employ in my practice. And I was really interested in doing this because I had heard many pro athletes, so NBA, NFL, NHL, you name it, have been going to this clinic to get different injuries treated and also for longevity. And I have been dealing with a hamstring injury, and it's been limiting my ability for my lower body workouts that are very important for longevity, by the way. And so I was really impressed, beyond what I thought. I didn't think I would be able to tell anything that soon, but after about a week, I felt more energy in the morning and better sleep. I had better sleep numbers. I'm always a good sleeper, but actually, my numbers got more tight, got even more REM and deep than I usually do. And most importantly, the injury that I went to get treated had a significant improvement right away. And so much so that since my treatment, I've actually done two of the biggest, heaviest lunge workouts that I've ever done. So I was very impressed right away, which is why I wanted to share it with you. And then in addition, not only are these cells great for athletic injuries, joints, the spine, these cells, because of their scientific properties and the studies that have been done, are showing that they're capable of treating much more severe neurologic things too. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. So I'm going to continue to tell you now about the intensive that we're planning. So it has three parts: cells, sun, and soul. So the first part, cells, again, we're using these MUSE cells, and these cells are special for three reasons. Three things make them different and better than what we've used in the past. So first, these cells are able to home or go to the site of injury better and at higher numbers than other cells we've used. Two, these cells are able to differentiate into new cell types. Again, this is better and more than MSCs, or mesenchymal stem cells, or medicinal signaling cells. And then three, these cells have been shown in clinical studies in Japan to improve a variety of severe diseases, such as stroke, such as hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, which is a pediatric or newborn problem where the baby doesn't get enough blood to their brain. Cells have shown tremendous healing capacity in these clinical trials. And then, so those three reasons: they can home, they can differentiate, and they've already shown clinical trial improvements. Those are the key things that set these cells apart. So that's our cell component of cells, sun, and soul. And then two, for sun, I am passionate that photobiomodulation, or adding light energy, specifically red light, can improve the biologic activity and functionality of whatever biologic or cell that we're using. So we'll be doing that in our intensive as well. And then three, soul. So whole healing is much bigger than just treating a body part. I really strongly believe that illness can be an opportunity for a person to grow, not just in their health, but in their whole life. So it could be any goal that you're working on, whether it's a relationship or feeling more vibrant or longevity, or even financial goals, even creativity goals. Our system, using true conscious energy healing, can allow you to learn how yourself to turn on your own body's healing system. So we'll teach you how to do this and give you very concrete, actionable things to do every day that will add to your cell and photobiomodulation treatment. So again, we have cells, sun, and soul. We're doing this in Mexico in December. I really want you to get all your questions answered and learn more about it. So please click for a complimentary consultation, and we can't wait to hear from you. Thanks.